Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we need to scroll and find the section Apps. So find it and tap on it. Then tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and go to Special Access. Here let's scroll and find Install Unknown Apps. And right here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. So for example, let's pretend I'd like to download the app from Chrome, so from the browser. So just localize it in the list and tap on the switcher next to it. Now it is active. However, you need to be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions just tap on the switcher next to the app. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.